In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts and accounts in Freshsales CRM. This process is fundamental if you want to leverage the full potential of your CRM system by having all your contact data in one place. Let's dive in and make sure you have a smooth experience. First things first, you need to navigate to the Freshsales website. Once you're there, take a look at the top right corner of the page. You should see a login button. Go ahead and click on that. This step will lead you to the sign-in page, where you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Type in your email and continue to sign in to your account. This ensures that you're authenticated and ready to proceed with managing your contacts. Now that you're signed in, direct your attention to the left panel of the dashboard. Locate the section labeled Contacts. Click on it to bring up your Contacts page. Here you'll notice a button on the top right corner labeled Import Contacts. This is your gateway to importing contact data, so go ahead and click on it. Upon clicking, you're going to be presented with the option to import from a CSV or Excel file. These are common formats for managing contact lists, allowing you to maintain your data in a structured manner. Select the format you are using, and this action will set the stage for the next steps. After choosing your file format, click on Next. The system will prompt you to select the type of data you wish to import, specifically contacts and accounts. This choice ensures that both individuals and businesses are integrated into your CRM. Confirm your selection and proceed by clicking Next again. The next phase involves uploading the file with your contacts and accounts. Click on Upload File and select your prepared CSV or Excel file. Ensure that your data is correctly formatted to match Freshsales' requirements. This step is crucial for a seamless import process. Once your file is uploaded, you'll need to map out the fields in your document to align with those in Freshsales. This means matching your file's columns to the corresponding fields in the CRM. Correct mapping ensures that each piece of information lands in the right spot in your system. Upon finishing this significant step, click Next. Finally, you're almost there. Give your setup one last review to ensure everything is in order. If all looks good, proceed to click on Import Now. At this point, Freshsales will start integrating your contacts and accounts into the system. And that's it. You've just imported your contacts and accounts into Freshsales CRM. Keeping your CRM updated is essential for effective communication and relationship management with your leads and clients, making this process an invaluable skill.